Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate scatter plot in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Let's click on the scatter plot requirements. It suggests that it requires 2 to 4 measures. Now, in Tableau, the variables are divided into two sections. The upper section is for the dimensions. Basically, dimensions are those variables which are categorical. And this section is for measures. So measures are continuous variable. We require two measures according to this requirement of the scatter plot. So I'll pick up profit from here, sales from here, drag it and drop it into the canvas. Now I'll activate scatter plot from here. So there is only one dot which we have got, which is a summation of profit and sales. Now I will pick up one dimension from here and drop it in the color. And you can see that now we are having the scatter plot according to the subcategories. Can we include one more measures in this graph? Yes. We'll pick up quantity from here and drop it into the size. So the size of the circle represents the quantity being sold. Now, can we represent the subcategories on the scatter plot? So subcategories can be picked up and dropped on the labels. So now we are having subcategories also. Now can we generate the separate scatter plot according to the segment? So we'll select segment and drop it into the column. So now we are having three scatter plots. Click on entire view. So if we talk about phones, the sales are high and profits are high. But if we talk about uh, chairs, sales are high, but comparatively profits are very less. Similarly, sales are high here, but profits, we are in loss making business. Now, can we include one more dimension here? Yes, we can include. We'll pick up again the subcategories from here and drop it into the rows. So instead of subcategory, let us pick up category. That will be much better. So now we are having 9 scatter plots according to the category and segment. Category and segment. So if we talk about this one, this is the category of furniture, segment is consumer, subcategory is chairs, profits are high, sales are high. But if we talk about this one, category furniture, segment consumer, subcategory tables, it's a loss making. So these two are loss making business. These two are loss. So overall bookcases, tables are loss making business. In office supplies, art supplies, in consumer, fasteners in corporate, they are loss making business. So this is a way you can generate scatter plot in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Tableau.